Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran and today I'll be telling you what are the top 10 technologies to learn in 2024. All these technologies are in demand and especially the last one, so watch it till the end. So the first one is blockchain. Now, what is blockchain? Let me tell you about it. So blockchain is an advanced database mechanism that allows the transparent information sharing within a business network. Okay, so what happens in blockchain is that you can use blockchain to create the immutable thing for tracking orders, payments, and means it's used for like the changes that are done, you cannot delete it or modify it. And why is it important? Like how in traditional database they used to be that, for example, if like there was financial transactions, so it used to be that, for example, if there's like a money exchange thing, like if the sender, like the seller has sent it to the buyer and both has to record these transactions. And but the thing is that the seller can say that he he did not get paid by the buyer, and the buyer can say that I have already paid, although it has not paid. So in order to avoid these issues, so it created a third party system which supervises it and validate the transactions. So how do the industries use blockchain? So see, in this they use such as the energy companies, they use it, they use finance, like blockchains are, they used to create peer-to-peer energy trading platforms. And then in finance, like banks and stock exchanges, media and entertainment, like to manage the copyright data, and retail to track the movement of goods. So why they're using it? Because it's like it cannot be something, it cannot be changed or altered. So this is blockchain. Okay, so then second one is sustainable technologies. Now, what are the technologies or like what things that you can do to sustain it? Means like for the betterment of the planet or for the betterment of the environment. So what technologies can use it? So in order to like avoid the, like for example, the hazardous gases, poisonous gases, or for example like to the depletion of ozone layer. So in order to prevent that, so what are the technologies that you can do it in order to maintain the planet in a better way or like sustain it? So let me tell you more about it. So here you can see like how you can see that so much CO2 emissions. CO2 is carbon dioxide, so that is so much emission of it. So for the solution of it, they use sustainable technology. Now they can use like the biodegradable materials in the productions. Like for example, how the plastic is non-biodegradable, but now they're converting into, like they are changing or shifting into the plastic which is biodegradable. So those technologies, and the non-renewable, and they're replacing the non-renewable resources with renewable sources that you can use it like many times. And the prevention, here you can see like the negative environment, how they can prevent the negative environmental impacts like through its use of production, and how you can make it more efficient, like the solar plates, the electric transport, the LED light technology. So the carbon capture, or like how you can capture carbon and use it like for storage technologies, and even the self-sufficient buildings and construction methods. So these things which are for the betterment. So this is sustainable technology and it's one of its has demand in 2024. Number three is artificial intelligence, and it is one of my personal favorite ones. Artificial intelligence, and I dreamt of it. Not dreamt, but I have like since high school I have been trying to like study it and understand artificial intelligence. Now it has grown a lot, and in 2024 it has a lot of demand. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial The natural intelligence is the human's intelligence, but the artificial intelligence is that we're giving machines the intelligence, means the ability to think like humans and act like humans. So those machines, they think like humans and act like humans, so that is artificial intelligence. So let me tell you more about it. like artificial intelligence is used where and what types of things. So here are the artificial intelligent examples that you can see. The manufacturing robots means the robots which are like in the manufacturing, like some are in the car production and some are in the manufacturing industry. So those robots that are artificial intelligence. Self-driving cars such as Tesla. Smart assistants, you can say the Google, Alexa, Siri, that is the smart assistants, and there are more. So the healthcare management, I'll tell you about like how AI is used in healthcare and in financial invested, automated, virtual travel booking agent, social media monitoring, and marketing chatbots. So let me tell you more about it. So in robotics, you can say means like the AI powered robots, they're capable of the solving problems and thinking in a limited capacity, of course not unlimited capacity. So here you can see that some robots are used for recycling sites, some are used for like, even there are like some robots which are like as receptionists. So some of receptionist jobs are gone, so they are as a receptionist. So for a specific task, the robots are used or they're like programmed in a way for a specific use. Some are, you can say, the smart vacuums. The smart vacuums are the robots, like the one which keeps on cleaning the house. The others are for like commercial and consumer markets, like such as Sophia, which can communicate with natural language and it can use facial expressions. There are some other robots which are equipped with emotion engines, means like they're capable of like recognizing the faces and basic human emotions. The robotic kitchen assistants means they're helping in kitchens. Some are developing, they're like, some is like this company is developing a drink dispenser that can integrate to simplify and automate the filling drink orders, means it will, according to its order, it will like fill the drink. And the AI and the smart assistant, you can say the Siri. Apple, in Microsoft they have the Cortana. Samsung has Bixby, yeah. And SoundHound has, yeah, they have, they are also using the company's voice AI platform. So all these, and how AI is in healthcare. So AI is in healthcare, they're in the treatments. Their focus is on the treatments of the various rare diseases, plasma derived therapies, oncology, neuroscience, and vaccines to like stop the spread of infectious diseases. And so they're using, incorporating AI technologies to in the operations, such as the making of drug discovery more efficient. And here you can see also for pathologist, means the machine learning algorithms, like in AI, the AI is helping the pathologist how to like analyze the tissue samples and then make more accurate diagnosis, like for diagnosis. And then they're also collecting data on pre-existing conditions and then like ongoing health concerns and gaps in journal health knowledge. Also AI in like facilitate the drug discovery. So it's in, even in self-driving cars, like the, like to give the rider or the most efficient safety measures, the driving techniques and most efficient routes. So all these are like used in, like AI is used, even they're used in finance for the automating of anti-fraud defenses, algorithmic trading and machine learning in financial processes. And they're also here, let me show you. Yep, they're in travel and transportation, means that you can see that they're making the travel arrangements to suggest the most efficient route home after work. And then let me tell you more about it. Yep, AI in there in social media like Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, like how like they take the they organize the massive amounts of data, and then according to that they give them like the For example, they protect the users against fake news, hate speech, and but other bad actors in real life. And also like the recommendations you can see. Like for example, one thing you write in Google or you search about it that you want to buy, or you just searched about it, then after that you'll see in all social media, you'll see that same thing will be coming after and after, and you'll be wondering like how it happened. It's because of the algorithms, it's because of AI. Of course, they like recognize or detected, like for example, this person is searching this thing, it means he needs this thing, so it will keep recommending like this company has this, or another company has this, so it's because of AI. And the another one is, okay, so the fourth is cybersecurity, means like the protection against the online, like how online protection. So that is how like cyber security, and let me tell you more about it. Like how there are cyber crimes like such as hacking, phishing, farming. Like there are different types of attacks. Like for example, sometimes they're like they send you a link in your mobile, and when you go to that link, it hacks your mobile, or like it gets the data, your important data. So in order to support that, and then you see how websites have the security, so cyber security is important. And let me tell you more about it. So cyber security is like what technologies, processes, and controls to apply to protect your system, your organization from the cyber attacks, from like from your organization getting hacked, or like sometimes they hack the data, and it also happens they like log the data, and then they ask you some ransom. It happens this in cybersecurity. So the computer security, cybersecurity is computer security, so how to make your data protect it. And the fifth is cloud computing. Now cloud computing is, it's not a cloud, the white cloud that you see in the sky, it's not that. But cloud computing is that, it relates to that, because see what happens is that it provides the databases, servers over the internet, means you upload your data to the internet, and then using your account you can access it anywhere. So a very best example is, number one is Google Drive. Like you upload your data using your account, whatever account, like Google account. You upload your data such as images, text files, mp3, mp4 files, whatever files, and you have a limit also, like whether like 15 GB is allowed or 16 GB is allowed. So you upload that data, and whatever, for example, and then even if you're not in that phone, like for example, if you, even if you're not having that phone, you just you have another phone, or you are in on your laptop, like you just go to Google Drive, and using your account you can access that file. So that is cloud computing. And the second is iCloud. So using iCloud also, in iCloud what happens that all your data is on the cloud, and then for example, if your phone gets lost or anything happens, your phone gets lost or it gets damaged or anything happens, so just Google using your, adding your Apple ID and password, then you can get all your data back. So that is cloud computing, and it is one of the most in demand technologies in 2024. Okay, so here it also says it offers the faster, flexible resources and economies of scale. So the same thing I was telling you about. It's the delivery of computing services, means you upload your data to a cloud, means like such as a service such as Google Drive, and then you can access it anywhere you are, unless you have like you have an internet connection and you have the access to the Google account, then you can access your files. Number 6 is business intelligence. Now we're not giving business the intelligence, it's actually what technologies and what things to apply. Like you get like from the business data, you analyze it, or you like provide tools or techniques in order to predict the next move, and for the betterment of your business you do that. And let me tell you more about it. Okay, so business intelligence is the set of strategies and technologies which you analyze the data, like they analyzing the business information or the data that you get, and then you transform it to actionable insights, like the that inform the strategic and tactical business decision. So according to that data you analyze it, and then after that you make a decision like for the betterment of the business. So this is business intelligence, and it provides, and even there are some tools which provide the quick and easy to digest access about an organization's current state based on the available data. So that is business intelligence. The seven is prompt engineering. Now, prompt engineering is actually guiding the AI to give the desired outputs. Means like if this is the text or these types are text, so it will train out and it will give the desired output. Let me tell you more about it. So here it, of course, the prompt engineering. So like you see the AI, they attempt to mimic humans, so but it needs some instructions to create the high quality and relevant output. So here you choose the most appropriate outputs, words, symbols that guide the AI to interact with the users more meaningfully. Means if we say hi, so what it should say, what should be the desired output, it should be hi, not some other thing. So that is prompt, and it's giving, it's a natural language text, and it like guides the generative AI to perform a specific task. Number 8 is DevOps. Now DevOps, it's a term in software engineering, and let me tell you more about it. DevOps, it includes the developers and ID operations. They're working collaboratively, and what they're doing, they increase the speed and quality of the software development and decrease the time. So they're using like some technologies or something which increases the like the speed and quality of the software deployment and decreases the time, like how fast they can do. So that is DevOps. And here you can see there's a continuous uh, nature of DevOps, and practitioners, they use the infinite loop, means the never ending loop, means like how plan, build, test, deploy, operate, observe, continuous feedback, then discover, then plan, then build. So like continuous loop, and it has 8 phases. So it's a whole life cycle of DevOps, and it is one of the, and it's in software development, DevOps. So number 9 is 5G technology. You've heard about 4G, 5G, and before there was 3G, 2G. So all these are the wireless cellular technologies. Now these you find in mobile phones also. And now these technologies, what they do is that this, like then the increase, when you increase the number, like before it was 4G, now it's 5G. Now what they're doing, they're increasing the download speed, and then they're taking like less time, in less time you can download more things, and with a higher speed. So 5G technology, and let me tell you more about it. So 5G technology is of course the 5th generation. It improves the capacity than the previous network, and it's much faster and reliable, and it also has the potential to transform the way we use the internet, like to access applications, social networks, informations. So why it's of course important, because the demand, as you can see, the demand for internet access, and combined with the new technology such as artificial intelligence, automation, everything, so the data is increasing. So how, so in order to like download the data or use the data like with the faster time, so 5G is important. So they even need, they can also, because 5G, it could help and support and scale the several applications like cloud connected traffic control, drone delivery, video chatting, console quality gaming. So all these 5G is needed. So of course, and more advanced things are needed. So this is also in demand. Number 10, which is the last but not the least one, digital twin. Now what is digital twin? Now all the things are becoming digitalized. Twin means this thing, like you see how the physical objects, so digital twin is the digital version of the physical thing. Means anything you see, for example any physical thing you see, a digital form on it or a virtual form of it, that is a digital twin. And let me tell you more about it. So digital twin, as I said, it's a digital version of a physical object, person. And here you can see, like for example, if we had a copy or a digital copy of yourself, that would be a digital twin. Means it won't have any injury, pain, or embarrassment. And here you can see The digital twin is the virtual replica of it, and they're linked. The digital twins are linked to the real data sources from the environment. And here you can see, okay, so here you can see, so what value they bring is the reduction in time to market. Means, for example, what they do, here you can see that, okay, so what they can do is that, like, for example, they can show you the digital form of it, like from before the product is entering to the market. They can show you the digital thing of it, like a prototype, and then after that, like a physical thing is in the market. So that is digital twin. And here you can say, like the simulation also are digital twin. Means like it reflects, it's a digital version, but it's reflecting the real thing. So that is all from my side. And if you guys have any doubts or need to know more about the technologies, you can ask me in the comments below. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.